Hey, welcome back, friends. Today is a final review of our recipe album that we made for the 12 Weeks of Christmas series. There is 13 parts to this video, and I teach you from start to finish how to make this. It started out as a recipe album. You could either do it as a recipe album or you can do it as an everyday album like I did, okay? If you haven't grabbed the cutting guide for this, I give it to you free on my scrappinitup.com. It's on my website, so please go grab it. It's yours to download and keep, and it's scrappin with no G, itup.com. I'll put the link down below if you want to go grab your cutting guide. All right, so let's dive in. First, this album measures, and I should know it by heart, but I don't, 9 by 8, and it does have, I think, 1.5-inch spine, ladies. And this is made out of Craft Tex. I love making folios out of Craft Tex. Very durable stuff, ladies. There's the back. Okay. And I made the album cover. I just used some embellishments from the kit. I did use Prima Marketing, the Amber Moon collection. Beautiful paper, beautiful. And just kind of layered it up with some of the embellishments. Okay. And I do know this album will hold over 100 recipe cards, plus some photos, ladies. Okay. So if you haven't checked the series out, please go check it out. Like I said, there's 13 parts to it. I teach you from start to finish how to make this. Okay? So you open it up and you have this. And I just used washi tape from the collection for right there. So you open it like this. And then you have a pocket here. And I just kind of embellished it up again with some of the aspects from the collection. I did use Recollections cardstock to kind of fill in. The orange, I think, just really made this pop, ladies. Okay, so I made a little booklet, and it measures 5.5 by 8. Okay, and I just decorated the front. I didn't decorate the inside. So 5.5 by 8 is what this is. And then I just threw in a couple 4 by 6 cards from the collection. It just fits right in there. And then we have these acetate pocket here. And, I mean, you could really stack this thing full. I didn't put too much in here. Just some photo mats and some cards from the collection. You could even, extra photos that you don't have room to put in your book, or, recipe cards. But yeah, ain't that neat, ladies? And I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so the other side, and I'll try to keep this in camera. The other side, we have double stacked pockets. And I didn't decorate any of these photo mats that go in here. Okay. So they just go back in here. And then you flip it over. Excuse me, ladies. And you have photo mats for here. Let's see, this photo mat is 5.5 by 4. Okay. And they just fit right back in there, and it gives you a little bit of a layered look there. Okay. And it opens up again, ladies. We have another pocket here. This booklet is the same dimensions, 5.5 by 8. Okay. And again, I just used some embellishments from the collection. And then you have a nice pocket here. And I didn't decorate these up. You can put a photo here and journal on the back. I'm just totally up to you guys. And then that just folds shut. Whoops. This folds shut first, then this. Okay, this is the middle part of our folio. And this has a pocket here. Nice, big, generous pocket. I did make a little booklet to go in here. And this little booklet is 4 3/4 by 4 1/4. Okay. And I didn't decorate the inside. Again, you know, you can put a photo here. You can journal. Okay. And those just fit right back in the pocket. And then this opens up. And again, you have another pocket here. Oh, this paper is just beautiful, ladies. Beautiful. Oops. I didn't decorate that one. Ah. Oops, sorry about that, ladies. I did decorate this one. I don't know why I didn't decorate that one. And those just slide in here. I mean, you've got plenty of room. I mean, my gosh, you could just stuff it full. Okay, so you open it up here. Let me make sure I'm still in camera. Okay. Now we have double stacked pockets here. Okay. And I just made some, here, this is a 4x6 from the collection. And I just used, my photo mats are 4.5 by 6. And they just all fit just right back into here. Okay. So you could stick your some of your magazine articles in there, recipe cards in here. My gosh, this album can hold so much, ladies. And that's why I done this one in an everyday album, just to show you the difference between, you know, using it as an everyday album or a recipe album. Okay. So these can just be photo mats. Okay. And they just slide right back in, ladies. Plenty of room. Okay, now we have our pocket pages. Not pocket pages, I'm sorry. My patchwork pages. It's something I started doing is just putting it together like a patchwork. You know, almost just like a quilt. Okay? And there's no right or wrong to this whatsoever. You decorate it however you want. It's a great way to use up scraps from your collection. So then we made a little envelope, not envelope, jeez, a little pocket here that you could add for extra recipes or photos, just like I've used it here. Okay, so you could put a little photo here. And then this opens. And then I made a pocket on this side. And I just put some scraps up here. And this piece here was a piece of scraps. Okay. And this here is another of my patchwork pages. Okay. So you can put a photo here, put a photo here, or put a piece of cardstock here and journal. Again, I just used scraps from my collection, or you know what was left. So again, we made a little, just holds, you know, recipe cards or photo mats. It's just a little pocket. Again, I just pieced it in from pieces from, you know, just leftover. So you could put a photo here, put a photo here, and journal here. Totally up to you. Okay, this is my hinge that I come up with to be able to use pocket pages that you can flip. I mean, they flip individually. Real easy hinge to make. I'm calling it my pocket page hinge because these are what these are, is, you know, pocket pages. Okay, and you just fill it up. You can just put your pictures in here. You can put a card from the collection in, put a photo on the back, or even stick a piece of cardstock in here and journal about what the pictures are about. But these flip individually. That's why I designed this, because I wanted them to flip. Okay, and we have 4 on each side. Okay. What a beautiful way to end an album. And this one is like your full page. So, you know, you could put two pictures, or put a picture in journal. Okay. And there's the very back. I didn't want to bulk it up at all, so I just left it plain. And you could, you know, put your photos in there. But yeah, these just flip just individually. I love the idea of that. I love it. So I hope, excuse me, ladies, I hope you guys make this album because it really is a wonderful album. I teach you from start to finish here on, you know, my channel. So I hope you guys make this either as a recipe album or, you know, an everyday album. It's a wonderful album. Wonderful. Lots of room. I did my recipe album that I made before. I had 100 photo cards in it. So I know this thing will hold over 100 recipe cards plus your photos. Okay? Because I didn't count. I don't think I counted any of this area here. I don't think. Okay? So if you haven't checked this out, please check it out. I hope you guys make this. It is a wonderful folio album. Like I said, I do have the cutting guide on my website, scrappinitup.com. Go grab it. It's yours to keep. And so you can make this folio anytime that you want. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the 12 weeks of Christmas. It didn't quite... I know I ran into a glitch because of my pocket pages not getting here, but I'm sorry about that. I was hoping to have it done before Christmas, and it didn't happen, ladies. I'm very sorry about that. So I know in the future I learned a lesson. Make sure I have all my supplies before I start. So I hope you guys enjoy this album. I hope you guys make it. And I hope you guys happy New Year's to you guys, and happy 2019. So hey, we will be talking later, and keep scrapping. Bye bye.